Stop by. It's Laurie, and today I'm participating in an open collab hosted by Mom Das Life Handmade and Lisa Birmingham. The requirements of this collab are that we make something based on Valentine's Day and give it as a gift, making sure that it is useful to the person that we give it to. This was a super fun collab to participate in, and I definitely want you to check out our hostesses who are Mom Das Life Handmade and Lisa Birmingham. I'm going to link them below with the playlist. Definitely make sure that you check them out. If you're new to my channel and you'd like to hang out with me again, please consider clicking that little red subscribe button below.
We're going to start this Valentine's Day project with a metal pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some white spray paint. You'll need 2 packages of the glitter vase fillers. You're also going to need 4 3-inch hearts, along with some Popsicle Sticks and some wooden dowels, glitter table scatter hearts, and some twine, and all of these items I picked up at the Dollar Tree. You'll need some Mod Podge, some magnetic strips, and lastly some pink and red paint along with some E6000. We're first going to take the wooden dowels. You're going to need 4 of them, and we're going to cut them at 9 inches each. I'm using a blade to cut them, but use anything that you're comfortable working with. Once they're all cut, if you have a little bit of jagged ends, just use your sandpaper to file them off. You're going to use your E6000 to attach the dowels to the back of the pizza pan. You're going to use your E6000 to attach them. After placing a bead of glue along one side of the dowel, you're going to measure 3.5 inches in from the widest side of the pan and 1.5 inch from each end. To attach the cross dowels, measure down 3 inches and then measure 6 inches. Attaching both with your E6000. They should also measure approximately 1 inch from each side. Once your E6000 has dried, give it a good coat of white spray paint. Once the front has dried, make sure to give it a coat on the back. This step is optional, but if you'd like to hang it on the wall, we're going to add a jute hanger onto the back. All you need to do is cut it to size and then attach it with some E6000. Keeping with the Valentine's theme for this project, we're going to use the larger glitter vase filler balls. They're super easy to attach. We're just going to use the hot glue gun. I use the pattern of pink, red, and white. Once the outside edge is complete, we're going to use our Mod Podge and give the top and the sides a good coat. If you're only going to use this as a wall hanging, you don't have to give it a coat of Mod Podge. If you're using it as a Tic Tac toe board, the Mod Podge will protect the surface from scratching. To make our X's for the board, we're going to start with 10 popsicle sticks. I used my scissors and I cut off one of the rounded ends. Then using a ruler, I measured my popsicle stick to 2.5 inches and cut it. I used my sandpaper to file down the edges, and then I made 9 more of these. Once you have 10 2.5-inch sticks, we're now going to use our E6000 to attach them together. Place a little dot of glue in the center of one of the sticks, and then place the other stick across it in a crisscross pattern. Once they have dried completely, I'm keeping with the Valentine's theme and painting them this pretty pink color. Once the tops are dry, you're then going to paint the bottoms. Now that our X's are complete, it's time to make our hearts. I'm using 4 3-inch wooden hearts. 2 of the hearts in the package are covered in glitter, so I'm lightly sanding it off with my sandpaper. Once that's done, it's now time to paint all 4 of them with my red acrylic paint. And once again, once the top is dry, I then paint the bottom. Now that the paint is dry on the hearts, it's time to add the little glitter heart accents. Using our hot glue gun, we're just going to place some hot glue on one side and then glue it to the wooden heart. After I glued the large pink heart onto the heart, I then glued the smaller red heart. I followed this pattern on all 4 hearts. I've also used similar hearts just like this in a couple of my past projects. I'll link them below in case you'd like to take a look and check them out. Now with the hearts and the X's dry, we're going to add the magnets to the back. I'm using some promotional magnets that I got for free. All we're going to do is turn them over and cut the back. For the X's, I'm using this popsicle stick as my guide. I'm placing it against the magnet just a little shy of the edge, tracing it with my pencil and then cutting it out. Now using my E6000, all I'm going to do is attach it to the back of the X. After you place one strip on, you're going to cut another and add that to it. You're going to do this for all of your X's. Adding a magnet to the heart, I'm just using this larger piece of recycled magnetic strip. I'm going to copy the heart onto it, cut it out, and then E6000 it onto the back of the heart. When you're done, your 4 hearts and your 5 X's are complete. And now your Valentine's Tic Tac heart is ready to give. It can hang on the wall as an accent piece, and then taken down as competitive fun while mom's cooking in the kitchen. And the best part is you will never lose the pieces because they are magnetized and they stick tightly onto your board.
I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me making this project, and you know my day is always better when you stop by. If you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider clicking that little red subscribe button below, and I'll see you soon. Bye everybody!